Well, there's a waterfall way up there. I have to put where we are here. And so as I go back up to the top of the hill, I got to climb here on a steep hill. So it's going to take me a couple minutes to go real slow here. And there's a little pond right here. You can see all the birdies there and everything. All right, here we go. Oh, we're going up to the waterfalls here. All right, here we go. Next to the waterfalls here. Over here at the waterfall, you might get a little spray here on the lens because I can feel it on my body. Feels nice and cool. There's the waterfall. Look at that, coming right down here. You got the spray here coming down. And we're going to move up here. I got to watch my step. So it's a little rocky here. And no guardrail here, so this wouldn't do back in the USA, but it's still very beautiful. Here you go up, see that waterfall, and it's right here in back of me. Here we go. Got the waterfall there. And one-man travel, bringing it to you here in the Azores, São Miguel Island. All right. This is just another angle right here. You can see the waterfalls right up there. Back a little bit further here. Yeah. There's a blue sky up above. I'm going to see if I can walk around here without falling. I don't know. Another different angle here. You see that beautiful waterfalls. Look at that. Very nice, very nice, very nice here. Come down here, everything's all nice and green. Beautiful down here. All right. Okay, we're going to bid farewell to the waterfalls here. Got to head back. We only got a few minutes here. So there's people down there. You can go down there. You can see down at the bottom here also. You got another little falls. You got another little one back there too. One there, the big one here, another one there. The water comes down here, goes down there, and people can walk across. You can walk down there. If you had time, there's trails that go up in the other area there, but we don't have time for all of that, so we're just going to walk down here and see where all that water goes. It's nice and clear too. Look at that. You can see right through the water. It's very clear. And here, I'll get out of your way here, since you're taking it that way. Okay, we got down here, we got little flowers down there, more flowers going there. And we got all this here. And we got water flowing here. Look at this, the water flowing right out here. It's like really crystal clear. And we have our guide here, Mafalda, who's doing an excellent job here. She's saying hi to all my fans out there. And we're really excited because we're going to this farm here. So thank you very much. We're moving on here. All right. Okay, we're moving on here. We got the water channel there. And we got little flowers growing out of the side there. I don't know what they are. But yeah, we had time, like I said. You can walk down here, look at all the flowers down there. Rocks up there, there's big trails you can go, little doodads working there with the water. More little roses here too coming out. So yeah, there's that waterfall back there, still up there. Alrighty.